This Leitz projector lens was first mounted on a homemade lens housing with a homemade focusing mechanism and an old aperture from another lens. Then came the universal adapter for projector and enlarger lenses. The quality is really what you can expect from a Leitz lens, even if it is a projector lens. It took some getting used to how the zoom mechanism worked in the field, but that gets used to very quickly, because you can already see through the lens what quality is present. It is always a great experience to transform a seemingly useless lens for projectors that nobody uses anymore into a very nice zoom lens on digital.